morning, guys. I just woke up. It's currently 7 a.m. here in Quezon City. Wow, I had a great sleep. I slept at 2 or 3 a.m. I only slept for like 5 hours, 4 hours or something. This is my room. I am alone. Also watching Free Solo. I brought my flash drive with me because I know I had a feeling na dili mag-function ng ilang signals or cables here. Today is gonna be a day full of lag. It's gonna be a wonderful day full of learnings because I'm gonna learn a lot. I'm gonna learn the life here in Manila. I went here nga doesn't have any knowledge about everything, so when I go back home, dahil ko dala-dala ng knowledge. I believe that my education didn't really stop at school. I graduated college. My goal is to really learn a lot. Really learn how the world works. Learn a lot of things. Because that's where my real education relies. In the real world, by my experiences. Getting wisdoms and knowledge from those experiences. And immersing myself sa mga butang-butang. I don't know if you get what I mean, but yeah, you get what I mean. But I still want to go to sleep. I am waiting for a shanty, my friend. In case you don't want to magkakaroon. But for a while, I'm just gonna go journal my thoughts and exercise right after. Take a bath as well. And go out and eat alone while waiting for a shanty. I'm gonna go back here after. So,
If she had 20 or 30 friends that had died in the mountains. And now I'm at that point where I've had
yo, what is this?
emotionally affected by it and a lot of people. There's been a lot of speculation.
There's no window. May tayo window, kato lang.
So with writer contact,
Am I open it? I don't know where that leads. I don't have a view in my room. As you can see, I'm sweating. Just had my workout, guys. And right now, I'm gonna go take a bath.
Few moments later.
Guys, so finally nakita na yung balik. Ang laagin sa lakay. Puro patro na sa nabunturan sa ilang balay. Kaya karon aso na may we're at Manila. Yes, UST specifically. Yes, we are at the ramen place talaga dito. Ha? Alam mo gipasulod ganyan ni Kuya Guard dito sa school. Kasi it's not yet. Hindi pa in klase. Because of Ondas break. I-search ako sa internet na yung Ondas break from October 30 to November 4.
Bumasok pa rin kami kahit walang pasok.
Ganyan kami ka-good. They're very good students.
Sasipan.
Maulan pa yan sa labas. Ano yung rain? Ha? Clear to. Volleyball. May UAP. May multo. Hindi, may multo ba yung multo what if? Tapos naging ka. Or naging artista.
Ay. Paano umakting ng baliw?
Ano yan? Ito. Chons. Nakalimutan. We ordered chasudon, red iced tea, and
Diyosa.
gyoza. Wow, parang goddess. And this one, soy sauce. This costs for about 99 lang, diba? It's not that much. Considering nga nato sa USD. And this one, how much is this? 79. Yung tagsing ko ano is night market.
This one is 45 pesos. Ato, nagulog-lugod sa labat ka. Sige, tindag sa dira. Palayo. I-research ko na to. Chat GPT. Years na tong building na to.
It's not really one of my favorite teams during the UAAP season because I'm always Ateneo and Lasal. I'm always at Ateneo or LaSalle or FEU.
Left tayo na.
For now, right now, I am appreciating university because of its values and it's also Catholic.
Ito naman yung field nila.
Ito yung field nila. This is where they practice soccer, football.
Ang grandstand.
I'm curious. Yun yung grandstand. Sabi yung arc. Ano yun? Arc of the
Dito tayo.
Centuries? Arc of the Centuries. Guys, so this is the Arch of the Century dito sa UST. Since ulan man, dire may magpasilong. 400 years. 400 years old. Wow. Natakaroon sa National Museum dito sa Manila, and as you can see sa akong likod, makita ninyo ang painting entitled El Asesinato of Gobernador Bustamante. Muna siya ang assassination ni Governor Bustamante. Makita ninyo mo ang detail sa painting, makita mo ang murag na ay gipatay or na ay murag gitalian. Muna siya si Governor Bustamante. Created by the painter Felix Hidalgo during the 1700s. And at the back of this painting is the famous Spolarium by Juan Luna. Painted by Juan Luna, symbolizes the oppression of Spanish colonial period sa mga Pinoy. Makita niyo ang mga gladiators, mga sila. Ang mga gladiators, kanil mga muragi pa patay, itong pira. Kaya mga manis sila ang nag-away, nag-battle sa una during sa Roman period. So, manis sila ang mga gladiators. So, manis sila ang nagapugos. Nagabira sila hapadulong sa Roman Colosseum. It was my report when I was in college. And looking back at it now, gamera day kay kog knowledge comparing sa karon nga nakita na nako siya in person. I am in the section as a paint ni Carlos Francisco ang Struggles of the Philippines. Every corner makita nimo ang murag timeline kung giunsa pagbuhat ang Constitution, paano nagawa yung KKK. Salamat. Grabe. So busog. Thank you. Samgyup salamat. This is one of the oldest church that is in the Philippines. I'm currently at the Minor Basilica and Metropolitan Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception, or Manila Cathedral. This cathedral is the episcopal seat of the archbishops here in Manila. Isa rin siya sa mga one of the oldest churches here in the Philippines. As you can see, sa yung architecture is kind of a neo-Romanesque style built by Fernando H. Ocampo. And in 2015, ning ato dire si Pope Francis for the papal visits. Actually, tulo ka Pope ang ning ato dire, si Pope John Paul and si Pope Francis. Wala na ako nahimala. Wala ko balo kung kinsa nga is Pope John Paul, and I don't know kapila. So this church has been rebuilt so many times. After sa World War II, this was constructed again and again. Binabalik-balik to construct because of natural calamities like Dino. And it attracts a lot of tourists, which makes this cathedral a historical landmark. So as makita nimo sa mga palibot, nagkanong mga turista, mga foreign people, it's one of the most beautiful cathedral nga akong naadtuan so far. So I bought this necklace, Mama Mary necklace, for only $250. Ito sa may souvenir shop. Then, I'm gonna wear it now before ko magawas. We're currently walking. Naghahanap po kami ng makakainan for lunch. And this is our view. So walk. May Starbucks pala dito.
Coffee shop. So, sa dulong-dulo.
Ganda dito. We're witnessing some old places here, such as this building. Makita niyo mga halata dito siya nga daan kay. Ligom-ligom na mga pintura. Yeah, see you at lunch. Naraman tayo. Ako lang ituyo guys. Tuyo kami likod. Only to find out nara tayo sa tubangan. Yes.
Guys, umikot lang kami guys. Ayun.
Dito na lang. Do you know, baka hindi nag-function. Currently having like fried chicken and fries and gravy. Asante is having
Mashed potato.
with chicken and cheese with corn. Trakaon.
2,000 years later.
Kikita niyo po. Guba-guba na siya. Guba-guba na siya. We're inside the tunnel. Diyan ka lang, wag kang...
Tapos, ito yung
We're at Intramuros, everyone.
So guys, picturean lang muna natin si
Picturean niyo yung pag-asa ng bayan.
Tara lang sa pag-asa ng bayan.
Ako na yan. Thank you po. So yan yung tunnel na pinasukan namin kanina. And we're now heading to saan tayo punta? Yun, Fort Santiago. I'm so excited. Getting now inside the Fort Santiago. I'm so excited. So that's Dr. Jose Rizal. Hello po. Hello, Dr. Jose Rizal.
Nandito na yung pag-asa ng bayan.
Nandito na. Pinaka-iintay ng lahat. Oh my God! Right now, we're going to the cave. Saan ba yung cave dyan? Yan yung cave. We're going inside. We need to have a lot of respect going inside the cave. Ito yung dungeon ng Fort Santiago noon. Now we're heading inside.
Wait lang. Gawas. Usam.
Okay. For a while.
Sige na yung taso. Good afternoon.
Ganyan po. Dito ginapang patay ang mga tao. Spanish
Dito
and Japanese.
tinatorture.
Dito tinatorture. Pinapatay nila, hinahang nila yung leeg.
Yung lola ko
Ayun.
is 1941 pinaanak. So 4 years old siya na nangyari. Tapos thank God nakasurvive sila. Especially na mga lolo ko. Kasi mga binata na yun sila eh.
I can't imagine going in here thinking about what happened before. Grabe din. I don't know how to feel. Okay, lakon.
Ako na bala sa baka. Ito lang basali mo.
Ikaw na bahala sa baka, ako na bahala sa iyak. Oops, we're not gonna laugh in here. We have to pay respect. Finally out from the dungeon. Grabe. Grabe doon. I can imagine what I felt inside. It's so creepy, it's so sad. Thinking about those times, sa ilang mga kapanahonan. Yeah, inside those caves right there, dito agipang patay ang mga tao. The same steps I had walked kanina.
The facility occupies 2 floors of the building. Its purpose is an exhibition and learning space. It now features
This is the Raha Sulaiman Theater. People used to perform here sa una. So dito, yung stage, I believe, 'di ba? Stage 'yan. Okay naman.
Okay.
Okay. Our national hero, pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas, Dr. Jose Rizal. Ito naman yung pag-asa ng bayan.
Cancel.
Cancel.
Tara, let's go.
So where are we heading? Dalawang banang Rizal. We're about to head inside the Rizal Shrine. Ito po, Shrine of Rizal or Al Museum Rizal. So this is where Rizal used to be imprisoned. So let's head inside. So ito na po yan si Dr. Jose Rizal. Nag-reincarnate po siya as a cat. Hello po, Dr. Jose Rizal. Uy, huwag kang matakot. Pag-asa ka namin. No video recordings. Oh. Finally at BGC! Yay! Global City. It's my first time here actually. And I am so haggard already because I've been out the whole day. And yeah, finally here! I've always wanted to see this one in person. But comparing to other countries like Japan, mas 3D yung sa kanila. Hindi siya lumalabas sa screen. You can really feel those graphic images na lumalabas sa screen. I'll be waiting for those graphics na parang 3D talaga. It's not what I expected, but still, it's a great experience to be here kasi you can really feel the city lights, a lot of people, a lot of tourists. Aesthetic, this is like the most aesthetic place here in the Philippines in terms of being in the city. Yay! We're finally at BGC. First time with them, diba, dito.
Actually, first time ako.
Yes, she's been here in Manila for how many years already, pero it's her first time to be here in BGC. Good luck na lang sa atin pa uwi. If may masasakyan pa tayo kasi mahirap yung
Grab.
grab na
Mahal lang.
Mahal lang. Pagpatungo,
800.
talaga? Mahal? We're gonna enjoy muna instead of pressuring ourselves to commute.
Mga 10:40 na kami mas.
Yes. Alright, gonna enjoy for the night. Yeah, look at that. Merry Christmas. Ayun, that's what I'm talking about. Look at it. Diba hindi lumalabas? No, it's not what you think. Diba yung sa ibang country, iba talaga yung graphics nila. Kasi makikita, mafe-feel mo talaga na parang lalabas yung astronaut sa screen. Dito chill lang. Ay, naka-13 na rin. Ang sama na din mo yan.
Ako ipadua sa ako po. Ako
I'm currently at the Church of the Immaculate Conception of San Agustin here in Intramuros, Manila. And right now, we're currently in the Museo of San Agustin. Wala pa may nakasulod sa mismong simbahan. So this is an all-stone church, one of the oldest all-stone church here in the Philippines, built in 1571. So it was 450 years ago that this church was built. So this church is considered as the UNESCO World Heritage Site for the Baroque churches in the Philippines. Kaniyang mga walls is made by adobe stones, a volcanic tuff. Ito po yung wood version ng The Creation of Adam ni Magno Gaza, originally located in the Sistine Chapel of Vatican City. Magno Gaza built a wooden version of this, of Michelangelo's painting. As you can see, it is made by wood. So this is an 18th century Baroque altar